Have you ever wondered whether to say, I get scared, or I am scared? They sound similar, but they do not always mean the same thing. Stay till the end, and you'll know exactly when to use get and when to use be. Listen to the meaning first. You want to say loud noises make you become scared. I am scared when I hear loud noises. I get scared when I hear loud noises. The better one is, I get scared when I hear loud noises.
I get scared when I hear loud noises.
Why? Get scared means you become scared when it happens. Now you want to say you feel scared right now. I get scared right now. I am scared right now. The correct one is, I am scared right now.
I am scared right now.
Why? Am scared describes how you feel now. What about this one? You want to say you prepared yourself for work. I was ready for work at 7. I got ready for work at 7. The better one is, I got ready for work at 7.
I got ready for work at 7.
Why? Got ready means you prepared yourself. Now you want to say you were already prepared when the meeting started. I got ready when the meeting started. I was ready when the meeting started. The correct one is, I was ready when the meeting started.
I was ready when the meeting started.
Why? Was ready means you were already prepared at that time. Now listen carefully. You want to say interviews usually make you nervous. I am nervous before interviews. I get nervous before interviews. The better one is, I get nervous before interviews.
I get nervous before interviews.
Why? Get nervous shows a repeated reaction. This time, the interview is today, and you feel nervous now. I get nervous about the interview. I am nervous about the interview. The correct one is, I am nervous about the interview.
I am nervous about the interview.
Why? Am nervous describes your feeling now. Here is a common one. You want to say you became tired after work. I was tired after work. I got tired after work. The better one is, I got tired after work.
I got tired after work.
Why? Got tired shows the change from not tired to tired. Now you want to describe your condition after work. I got tired after work. I was tired after work. The correct one is, I was tired after work.
I was tired after work.
Why? Was tired describes your state at that time. Now choose carefully. You want to say you lost your way? I was lost on the way home. I got lost on the way home. The better one is, I got lost on the way home.
I got lost on the way home.
Why? Got lost means you lost your way. Now you want to say you did not know where you were for 10 minutes. I got lost for 10 minutes. I was lost for 10 minutes. The better one is, I was lost for 10 minutes.
I was lost for 10 minutes.
Why? Was lost describes the situation during that time. This one is about marriage. You want to talk about the wedding event. They are married last year. They got married last year. The correct one is, they got married last year.
They got married last year.
Why? Got married talks about the event that happened in the past. Now you want to talk about their current relationship status. They got married now. They are married now. The correct one is, they are married now.
They are married now.
Why? Are married describes their status now. Great job. Remember, get often shows a change or reaction. Be shows a state or condition. So ask yourself, did the feeling start? Or am I describing the situation? See you in the next lesson.